Hello everyone, and welcome back to Creative Cooking on a Shoestring. Growing up in Pennsylvania, there was a lot of German and Pennsylvania Dutch influences in the foods that we ate. So today, I've decided to make one of my favorite childhood desserts. Pennsylvania Dutch Shoo Fly Pie. Let's get cooking. The ingredients for our shoo fly pie: we'll need 1 cup of flour, 2/3 cup of packed brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of cold butter, 3/4 cups of molasses, 1/2 cup of hot water, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 large egg, which we will beat. We will also need a 9-inch pie shell. The first thing we're going to do is mix our dry ingredients. We're going to take our flour, brown sugar, and our butter, and we're going to make a streusel. We're going to mix this until it's very well blended. About this texture. It's dry and crumbly. Now we're going to mix our wet ingredients. Here's our molasses, this is some thick, sticky stuff. I put my hot water in the same container as what I had the molasses in to try to dissolve some of that. Add that in there. Mix that up real good. Add our salt. Our baking soda. And our beaten egg. Now we're going to take our streusel mixture and add half of that to our liquid. Mix that up really well. Now we're going to take our pie crust and pour this mixture and once that is into the pie crust, we're going to take the rest of our streusel mixture and sprinkle that right on top. Carefully spread that all over. And now we're going to place this in a 400-degree oven for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, we're going to turn the temperature down to 350 degrees, bake it another 15 minutes, then we're going to put aluminum foil over the whole pie and bake it for another 10 to 15 minutes, just to make sure the crust doesn't get too brown. Our pie is out of the oven and has cooled down, so let's cut into it and give it a taste. Doesn't that look good? I've been waiting for this moment all day. It's time to taste our pie. Doesn't that look delicious? We've got our crumb topping, nice cake-like layer, and down here on the bottom, that soft, gooey molasses. Ugh. Mm. tastes like childhood. Mm. Now I need a tall glass of ice cold milk. Hope you enjoyed this recipe for Pennsylvania Dutch Shoo Fly Pie. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like. Until next time, I'm going to finish this whole pie.